Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about convert decimal form into p by q form. That means decimal to rational number. And we first of all we know that the terminating and non-terminating recurring number are rational number. That means non-terminating recurring number is look like that 0.23 bar, okay, 0.353535. The number is repeating again and again. That is non-terminating recurring number. So here non-terminating recurring number here already given to you 0.235 bar. Okay, the bar line is on top of 35 only. That means 353535, that number is repeating again and again. So first of all we think that the bar line is how many, is on top of how many numbers. If it is a one number, then we multiply with 10. If it is in top of two numbers, then we multiply with 100. And if it is top of three number, then multiply with 1000. So x is equal to 0.35 bar. That means the bar line is top of 35. So it's in two numbers. So we multiply with 100. And if we multiply with 100, so the decimal point 0, going to right side, 1 point and 2 point. So that become 23.5353535 dash. So whatever we get the value here, we subtract with the x. Here, whatever we get the value, like 23.53535, subtract with the x 0.2353535. So finally, if we subtract from this number 23.53535 is subtraction, 0.23535, then we will get the value 23.3000. 5 minus 50, 3 minus 30, 5 minus 50, 3 minus 30, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 0, 3, and 2 minus 0, 2. So whatever we get the value here, 23.3, and what we subtract? X, that we add. So 23.3 plus x, then we finally get the value, this one, 23.5353535 dash. And 100, this x goes into left side, 100x minus x, that is become 99x. And 23.3, we remove this decimal, so 233 by 10, and 99 is divided by this number. So finally we will get the value 233 by 990. And 233 and 990, they cannot, don't cut. So finally we will get the value in a p by q form. Again, the next sum, x is equal to 0.6 bar. That means x is equal to 0.666 dash. That bar line is on only one number. So we multiply with 10. That means this decimal point goes on the right side. 6.666 dash. Now, this 6.666 is subtract from the value of x 0.666 dash. So 0, 0, 0 and 6 minus 6. 6 minus 0, 6. That means 10x is equal to 6. And whatever we subtract, the value is x. That means tan x, x comes on a left side. That means tan x minus x is equal to 6. Therefore, 9x is equal to 6. And x is equal to 6 by 9. Again, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Therefore, the value of x is 2 by 3. That is actually our last, okay, P by Q form. Thank you.